Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So Mike took the 5-hour trip from Virginia to get the audio upgraded on his 2025 Road Glide. He was coming from out of state. I told him if he came in early enough, we'd be able to get him done in one day. It was a simple 4-speaker setup. We spoke on the phone about the different options. I said, listen, come up. We have everything in stock. We have a few bikes for you to listen to. It's going to put your mind at ease. Whichever one you listen to that you like, that's the setup that we'll go with. And that's exactly what we did. He was blown away, by the way. We were able to make these bikes sound. We had a 2024 CVO ST that we were wrapping up. He heard that one, loved the way it sounded, so we went with that setup. It was Cicada CH in the fairing, Hertz 690 Neo in the lids, lid cutting kit, Cicada FLX 1400p DSP amplifier, NVS Audio plug-and-play harness, NVS Audio RCAs, and AK2 wiring kit. He got to hang out with us the entire day, had lunch with us, and then he got to watch every step of the build. He was really impressed. The bike sounded phenomenal. He was really happy. We're really happy, and got him back on the road and on to the next. Check out the build. I've been slacking on the videos. We've been so busy. I'm back in New Jersey now. Knowledge Fest is this weekend, so I have my motorcycle audio class coming up on Saturday. Plus, I'm helping Kyle and the guys knock out all these builds that they had in-house. When Mike came up, we actually had 4 or 5 2024 2025s in the building getting audio upgrades. We're working on competition victory 6-speaker bike. That's a really huge build. We're finishing up 2 stage 5s on top of the 2024s and the 2025s that we're doing. So I'm a little backed up on the videos. The videos are coming. Check out this build.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.